Mark Mandy. Today I'm here to talk to you about the differences between fixed and variable rate mortgages. It's one of the biggest questions that borrowers have when they're trying to make a decision when it comes down to their mortgage of what rate should they take. Fixed rates, which are based off of the 5-year Canada bond yield for the 5-year fixed rates, are a fixed term for the mortgage. So if you select a 2.09% rate on your mortgage, that's the rate you have in a fixed mortgage for the 5-year term. On the other side, variable rates, which are based off of the prime lending rate, those float during the term of the mortgage based on what the Bank of Canada does with the prime lending rate, and then the banks do with their lending rate for you. So there's discounts offered on those variable rate mortgages, which make them so attractive because that interest rate is so low. However, you need to understand what the influences and impacts are on what can cause that rate to increase during the term of the mortgage. Because the prime lending rate is based off of gross domestic product and production of employment in Canada, and those can increase during the term of the mortgage. It really does boil down to the client's risk in the end and their tolerance for risk. That's a choice that has to be made in discussion and a thorough understanding of what the implications are when you're taking one versus the other. So creating a financial life by design is part of that whole process. And understanding how your mortgage is going to work for you and what you can do with your mortgage is such a critical piece. And understanding that fixed versus variable rate is critical because there's more to the mortgage than just rate. Rate is just about one piece of what it looks like today. There's the long-term impact of what that mortgage might do for you or how it might impact you down the road. So working with a licensed professional like a mortgage broker who gives you that thorough understanding of what that 5-year timeline can look like is really critical and important. Because for me, I want my clients to live a financial life by design with their mortgage being a part of that. And so I hope you find this information to be very valuable and insightful and something you'll consider the next time you decide to get a mortgage with a mortgage broker.
Thanks for watching The Mark and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.